technology available in solving famine and poverty is the CRISPR technology, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. CRISPR is a new gene editing technology that is essentially a form of genetic scissors that allows scientists to edit DNA gene sequences. Imagine taking out the bad parts of a food's DNA gene sequence while adding in or changing parts that help make it taste better or last longer. Scientists are now able to edit a plant's genome to get desired traits using this technology. CRISPR technology is much cheaper and faster to use than traditional genetic engineering techniques, and it has the potential to impact yield, disease resistance, taste, and other traits as well. Due to increase of population and high demand of food worldwide, it is reported as a result of change of climate and global warming that there will be a drastic increase of poverty and food shortage. The emergence of CRISPR technology has shown greater promise in improving crop yield and preventing crop genetic diseases. This technique can create plants that not only produce higher yields, but also the ones that are more nutritious and more resistant to drought and pests. These traits may help crops endure more extreme weather patterns predicted in the coming years. Besides that, CRISPR technology allows to engineer a wider variety of crops that can be grown in urban environments or other places not suitable for plant growth. We can produce crops in new ways without having to tear up the land as much or add excessive fertilizers. This may be a complementary approach to help feed people locally and with a reduced carbon footprint. During the past 2 decades, several fruit crops have been modified using these techniques. These are the examples of agriculture crops that have been produced through the usage of CRISPR technology. Scientists have aimed to prolong the shelf life of certain foods like a non-browning mushroom and virus-resistant cocoa plants and many more. Moreover, genetically edited coffee beans that are naturally decaffeinated are produced to avoid the costly process of removing caffeine, which can also affect the flavor. These advances could hugely improve food security around the world and thus give a major lift to people facing extreme poverty. Genetically edited foods are safe to consume. However, consumers have reacted negatively, and a lack of consumer acceptance could potentially restrict the development and further commercialization of CRISPR crops. CRISPR has been imagined as a way to end world hunger by producing better harvests and fortifying crops against disease and climate change. If the rich countries shut down gene editing even before it has begun, poor countries that really need increased productivity and healthier foods won't be able to benefit. CRISPR gene editing technology could transform and eliminate global famine and poverty on a massive scale. The benefits of this technology, which could save the lives of millions of people, should be equally accessible to those in developing countries. With rising population numbers, climate change, and urbanization, it's important that we should start accepting CRISPR-derived fruits and vegetables because they are completely safe to consume and has major implications for agriculture and food security.